Understanding Sentence Fragments. Unravel the Mystery. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving deep into the realm of English grammar. We'll unravel the mystery behind sentence fragments, a common but often unnoticed error. A sentence fragment is a group of words that looks like a sentence but doesn't have all the essential components of a complete sentence. In this video, we'll be focusing specifically on the common causes of sentence fragments and how to avoid them. One of the main reasons why sentence fragments occur is due to the absence of either a subject or a verb. Remember, every complete sentence requires both a subject, the one who does the action, and a verb, the action that is done. So, a group of words without either of these essential components will create a fragment. For example, let's look at the fragment, running in the park. While we see an action happening, we don't know who is performing it. Therefore, it's a sentence fragment. We can fix it by adding a subject. John was running in the park. A dependent clause is a group of words with a subject and a verb, but it doesn't express a complete thought and can't stand on its own. When a dependent clause is left to stand alone, it becomes a sentence fragment. Consider the fragment, because she was tired. Here, she is the subject and was is the verb, but the phrase doesn't express a complete thought. It raises the question, what happened because she was tired? To correct it, we could add an independent clause. Because she was tired, she went to bed early. Sometimes, sentence fragments occur when an introductory word or phrase is followed by a phrase that cannot stand alone as a complete sentence. Words like although, since, for example, such as, and others can lead to this issue. Consider the fragment, such as apples, oranges, and bananas. It lacks a main clause that would make the sentence complete. A corrected version could be, I love eating fruits such as apples, oranges, and bananas. And there you have it. The common causes of sentence fragments: absence of a subject or a verb, dependent clauses standing alone, and missing main clauses after introductory words. Be vigilant in spotting these in your writing, and you'll be well on your way to creating grammatically sound sentences. Remember, practice makes perfect. So keep writing, keep learning, and most importantly, keep having fun with it. That's all for today, folks. I hope this video has been helpful. Stay tuned for more videos on English grammar. Keep practicing and happy learning.